All right.
That's so far away.
Hello, this is Dr. Jeff, and today I'm out here at Cal State University Fullerton for the Master's in Science, Instructional Design, and Technology program. It is our Midpoint Symposium, and as you hear Midpoint, that's where we're at. We're kind of at the middle, or maybe even beyond the middle, where students now have taken some of the basic courses, but they're applying all the things that they've learned in the other courses previous to their own personal project and their own instructional design.
My hope for today is to finalize my project idea.
To figure out what accessibility design and color theories I need to work on.
Figure out a project that will help my students succeed.
Finding research questions that I can explore.
My hope for today is to narrow down my product as a reclassification roadmap for EL students.
So the students have been going through various rounds of consultancy, and I love it. It's like gold being purified. The students are coming in with like golden ideas on their projects, so many wonderful ideas, and then through each round, that process, that gold is getting more refined, more pure. And so they go through 3 different rounds with 3 different professors, refining their ideas with one another and with their professor, and then they're leaving with a very narrowed and focused project idea.
We'll be meeting in small groups with faculty, all right? So these are the faculty rooms over here. They're right behind LaTanya. We have, every professor will be in a different classroom.
If you're an educator, then you know that instructional design is critical for the lesson itself. You begin with the end in mind. There's many instructional strategies to support you toward the end, whether it's in the classroom or their career or in the world. One thing I've definitely experienced in the IDT program is the application of great instruction outside of the classroom. How can tools be created that help others to learn, whether it's the onboarding of employees or their training or clients? There's so many opportunities, so there's a real growth in instructional design and technology.
So the professor will lead a discussion with you and you'll talk about your research ideas. There'll only be about 3 of you in the classroom, okay? So you'll have plenty of time. The first meeting will be 40 minutes, and then you'll rotate you'll get up and walk to the next professor. They'll tell you where to go. And then you'll sit down and you'll have another conversation with another professor. Same 3 people, but different professor. By the time you get to the 3rd professor, you'll have a really good grasp on what you're going to accomplish. You'll have narrowed down your research agenda. You'll have narrowed down your research questions. You'll feel so much happier. No one will have their arms crossed anymore.
So although I'm in person here at Cal State University Fullerton, students are joining us from many places. Some have driven here, and so there's an in-person consultancy, but also those online are having the opportunity. So it's a hybrid kind of format to provide support. So now I'm going to meet with my online students. So questions we might ask today to help refine will be when students are in small groups. And in these small groups, they're having a chance to talk about, like, what is the digital project? Who is the target audience? What are the research questions? Which theories and instructional strategies are you thinking about using to support the learner? And then how will you assess the learner? So in multiple steps along the way, students are having the opportunity to think about their project and then share out.
Okay, so my takeaway from my session with Dr. Kim is definitely being open to the hard questions. And that really has helped me better understand what I want my project to go.
We have a whole lifetime to engage in many of our different dream projects, but for the purpose of this program, what is something that we can specifically do, narrowing the topic and accomplish with excellence?